Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To the topic on which we are going to discuss is Math 9, Group Science, Unit 14, Ratio and Proportion, Exercise 14.1. Question number 1. In a triangle ABC, side DE is parallel to the side BC. If side AD is equal to 1.5 centimeter, side BD is equal to 3 centimeter, and side AE is equal to 1.3 centimeter, then find the value of the side CE. In a triangle ABC, a side DE parallel to the side BC and intersecting the side AC and side AB divides them proportionally. So side AC is divided in the ratio AE ratio EC, and side AB is divided in the ratio AD ratio DB. We can also write the proportionality of side AC and side AB into its reciprocal form. So side EC ratio side AE is equal to the side DB ratio side AD. For finding the value of side EC, we put side AE equal to 1.3 centimeter, side DB is equal to 3 centimeter, and side AD is equal to 1.5 centimeter. So side EC is equal to 3 centimeter multiply by 1.3 centimeter divided by 1.5 centimeter. On writing the decimal form into fraction form, so 1.3 is equal to 13 by 10 and 1.5 is equal to 15 by 10. The value of side EC is equal to 13 by 5 centimeter. On dividing 13 centimeter by 5, it is 2.6 centimeter. So the value of side EC is equal to 2.6 centimeter. Part 2 of question 1. In a triangle ABC, where side D is parallel to the side BC, if side AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter and side AE is equal to 3.2 centimeter and side EC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, then find out the value of side AB. In a triangle ABC, a side D parallel to the side BC and intersecting the side AB and side AC divides them proportionally. Means when side DE parallel to the side BC, then side AD ratio side DB is equal to the side AE ratio side EC. The reciprocal of this proportionality is side DB ratio side AD is equal to side EC ratio side AE. So for finding the value of side DB, we put AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter, side EC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, and side AE is equal to 3.2 centimeter. Then side DB is equal to 4.8 centimeter multiply 2.4 centimeter divided by 3.2 centimeter. So writing the decimal form into fraction form, 4.8 is equal to 48 by 10, 3.2 is equal to 32 by 10, and 2.4 is equal to 24 by 10. So the value of side DB is equal to 3.6 centimeter. We know that side AB is equal to side AD plus side DB. On putting the value of side AD and side DB, sum of 2.4 and 3.6 is equal to 6. So value of side AB becomes 6 centimeter. Part 3 of question 1. In a triangle ABC, the side DE is parallel to the side BC. If the ratio of the side AD and DB is equal to 3 by 5 and side AC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, then find the value of side AE. In a triangle ABC, a side DE parallel to the side BC and intersecting the side AB and side AC divides them proportionally. So its equation becomes, if side DE parallel to the side BC, then side AD ratio side DB is equal to side AE ratio side EC. For finding the side AE and side EC, we know that side AC is equal to side AE plus side EC. It can also be written as side AE plus side EC is equal to side AC. So the value of side AE is equal to side AC minus side EC. On putting the value of AD ratio DB, which is 3 by 5, and the value of side AC is 4.8 centimeter, by cross multiplication, multiplying side CE by 3 centimeter and multiplying 5 centimeter by 4.8 centimeter minus side CE. On multiplying 5 centimeter by 4.8 centimeter, it will become 24 square centimeter. On adding 3 side C plus 5 side C, it will become 8 side C. So dividing both sides by 8, then value of side C will become 3 centimeter. Now for finding the value of AE, the equation AE is equal to side AC minus side CE. On putting the value of AC and CE, which are 4.8 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively, the difference of 4.8 centimeter and 3 centimeter is 1.8 centimeter. So the value of side AE is equal to 1.8 centimeter. Part 4 of question 1. In a triangle ABC, where side DE is parallel to the side BC, if side AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter, side AE is equal to 3.2 centimeter, side DE is equal to 2 centimeter, and side BC is equal to 5 centimeter, then find the values of CE, DB, AB and AC. In a triangle ABC, a side DE parallel to the side BC and intersecting the sides AB and side AC, which divides them proportionally. So its equation can be written as, if side D parallel to side BC, then side AD ratio side DB is equal to side AE ratio side EC. Its reciprocal equation can also be written as, side DB ratio side AD is equal to side EC ratio side AE. Here value of side AD is 2.4 centimeter and value of side AE is equal to 3.2 centimeter. We have to find the value of DB and value of EC in equation number 1. So firstly we solve the value of EC. So we made a parallelogram DPB where its sides D equal to PB is equal to 2 centimeter and its length DB equal to EP. When side BC is equal to 5 centimeter, then its equation become BC is equal to BP plus PC, where BP is equal to 2 centimeter and PC is equal to 3 centimeter. In a triangle ABC, if side EP parallel to the side AB, then EC ratio AE is equal to CP ratio BP. For finding the value of side CE, we put the value of EA is equal to 3.2 centimeter, the value of side CP is equal to 3 centimeter and value of side BP is equal to 2 centimeter. So value of side CE is equal to ratio of 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter multiplied by 3.2 centimeter. So the value of side CE is equal to 4.8 centimeter. On putting the value of CE in equation number 1, the value of side DB is equal to the ratio of 4.8 centimeter and 3.2 centimeter multiplied by 2.4 centimeter. Then value of side DB becomes 3.6 centimeter. Now side AB is equal to side AD plus side DB, which is equation 2. On putting the value of side AD and side DB, sum of 2.4 and 3.6 is equal to 6. So the value of side AB become 6 centimeter. And side AC is equal to side AE plus side EC, which is equation number 3. On putting the value of side AE and side EC, sum of 3.2 and 4.8 is equal to 8. So the value of side AC becomes 8 centimeter. Part 5 of question 1. In a triangle ABC, where side DE is parallel to the side BC, if side AD is equal to 4x minus 3 and side AE is equal to 8x minus 7 and side BD is equal to 3x minus 1 and side CE is equal to 5x minus 3, then find out the value of x. In a triangle ABC, if sides DE parallel to the side BC, then side AD ratio side BD is equal to side AE ratio side CE. So the value of side AD is equal to 4x minus 3, side BD is equal to 3x minus 1, side A is equal to 8x minus 7 and side C is equal to 5x minus 3. By cross multiplication into 4x minus 3 into 5x minus 3 is equal to into 8x minus 7 into 3x minus 1. On multiplying 4x into 5x minus 3 into 5x minus 3 is equal to 8x into 3x minus 1 minus 7 into 3x minus 1. It will becomes 20x square minus 12x minus 15x plus 9 is equal to 24x square minus 8x minus 21x plus 7. This equation can also be written as 20x square minus 27x plus 9 is equal to 24x square minus 29x plus 7. Writing in descending order with respect to x, this equation can also be written as 20x square minus 24x square minus 27x plus 29x plus 9 minus 7 is equal to 0. So this equation becomes minus 4x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So taking common minus 2 and dividing both sides by minus 2. So this equation will become 2x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. By factorization, taking common 2x in 2x square minus 2x and taking common 1 in x minus 1. Taking again common x minus 1 in this equation. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 1 is also equal to 0. In the first step, value of x is equal to 1. And in the second step, value of x is equal to minus 1 by 2, which is impossible. So x is equal to 1 is the required result. Thanks for watching the video.